I'm going to show you how to do in this video a 2-octave G scale with the fingerings and where your fingers are going to be on those tapes. By the way, the G scale has one sharp and it's F sharp. So I'm going to start off by just playing the scale so you know what it sounds like, and then I'm going to break it down and then I'll play it again. So starting off. So you're going to start on your open G. So your first finger is going to be that A. Second finger is your B. It's going to be on that tape as well. Third finger is going to be on that tape. It's going to be a C. Then you're going to either play your fourth finger or your open D. First finger is going to be on that tape. Second finger on the tape, just like on that G string. Third finger on tape. Open A or fourth finger, either one is the same note. Okay, so I'm going to do the open A, first finger. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. You're not going to be putting your finger on that tape. You're going to be putting it a half step under the tape. So it's going to be between this tape and this tape. This is going to be your C natural. Okay, and then you're going to put your third finger on the tape. Fourth finger or open E. First finger on the E string. It's going to be your F sharp. Okay, that's going to be on the tape. G natural is going to be between the first tape and the second tape. It's going to be with your second finger right in between. And then go back down, it's the same fingering. So what I would probably suggest you do while you're playing your G scale is to also practice it with different bowings. So a lot of times I'll have my students either do 2 notes per bow stroke or 4 notes per bow stroke. You can also do different rhythms, but what I'm gonna do for this last time playing through the scale is just play 2 notes per bow stroke so you can get an idea. I'm gonna play it a little faster. I hope that was helpful. If you're interested in more videos like this, click that subscribe button. And if you really liked this one, if you click that like button, it will be really helpful for me. So, see you next time.